How to add height on Tinder. Hello everyone, this is Reshma and welcome back to How to Guide YouTube channel. In today's tutorial video, I am going to guide you how to add height on your Tinder. To do so, please make sure you have a stable internet connection. Go to the Tinder application as this will lead you this kind of recent interface. On the app screen, you can discover new likes. As you can see different icon on the bottom, tap on the profile icon which is on the bottom right corner as this will lead to my Tinder profile. Then tap on the pencil icon which is on the profile. Once you are here, if you scroll it down, below your interest you can locate height. Tap on it and adjust the preferred height and it will give you option if you want to add your height in feet or in centimeter. Just go with your choice and once you have adjusted your height you can tap on done. And this is the way you can easily add height on Tinder with few steps. This was it for this video. If you found today's tutorial video informative and easy, do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. And also press the notification bell so you won't be missing any update from us.